So you bought a piece of land and you're looking to start the process of designing and building a custom home. What are really the first steps to get that going? So after obtaining the land, one of the most important things for a drafter or an architect to start is getting a topographical survey of that land. It's going to show the elevation changes, any setbacks, zoning requirements, any easements on the property that would constrict the design to a certain allowance. From there, you go to either directly to a builder or directly to a drafter and an architect to start designing those plans based on, how many square feet you want, how many bedrooms, bathrooms, the style of the home. You'll usually start with some pictures, some inspiration photos, a whole package that you would give to that designer to at least get a starting point on laying out the house on the site footprint and then getting you to a preliminary floor plan. Once your floor plan is reviewed and worked out, then they would start developing the rest of the set. They would work into bringing the house up, showing the exterior elevations, getting into all the construction details that a builder would need to actually take those plans and create them in the field. So the difference between going to a builder or going directly to a draftsman or an architect is a pre-construction process. So we always prefer to be part of the plans being designed because we can work with the architect, work with the drafter, do budgeting along the way to make sure that those plans are getting designed to your preferences, but also your preferred budget, if there is one. There's many things that you can decide to do or not to do when designing a custom home, and having a builder part of that design process will really help you to stay on track, doing budgeting along the way to make sure that you don't go through a 6-month, 8-month, 12-month long design process and you end up with a house that costs $1 million more than what your budget was.